Welcome back to the channel, friends. Today, we're talking about one of the biggest traps in the crypto world, fiat pump and dump schemes.
They look tempting, they promise quick profits, but in reality, most people end up losing money. So how can you identify a pump and dump before it's too late?
Let's break it down step by step. What is a pump and dump? A pump and dump is a form of market manipulation. A group of people, or sometimes even big players, artificially inflate the price of a low-volume crypto coin Krilli. This is called the pump.
Once the price is high enough, they suddenly sell off all their holdings. That's the dump. The result? The price crashes and small investors lose their money.
Red flags to identify a pump and dump. 1. Sudden spike in price and volume. If a coin suddenly shoots up 50% or 100%.
Stepping into the future of web development, we embrace innovation and collaboration. Our journey begins with the code that builds tomorrow's digital landscape. Pump and dump groups often use Telegram, Discord, or Twitter to spread hype. You'll see messages like, "This coin is going to the moon,"
or 100x returns guaranteed. If everyone is shilling the same coin without any solid reason, that's a red flag.
3. Unknown or low-cap coins. Pump and dump schemes usually target coins with very small market caps or low liquidity.
Why? Because it's easier to manipulate the price when only a few people are trading. No fundamental backing. Ask yourself, Pinks, does this project have real use cases?
A strong team, or actual partnerships? If the answer is no, and the price is still skyrocketing, it's likely manipulation. Unusual trading patterns. Check the trading chart. In pump and dumps, you'll often see a sharp vertical rise followed by an equally sharp crash.
Healthy project growth often looks like this. It's not always a straight line up. Sometimes it's a bit of a roller coaster, but the trend is what matters.
Real-life example. In 2021 and 2022, many meme coins and unknown tokens were pumped by groups and influencers.
Some coins went up 500% in a single day, but within 48 hours, they lost almost all of their value. The early insiders made money, but late investors got...
How to protect yourself, Rev. Now the big question, Co. How do you avoid falling into this trap? Do your own research, Co. Always check the project's fundamentals. Hi, I'm Rohan, a full-stack developer, passionate about creating innovative web solutions.
Set stop losses. Always protect your capital in case the market crashes. Trust established projects. Focus on coins with transparency.
To sum it up, pump and dumps are designed to make the organizers rich and leave others broke. Welcome to the future of workspace innovation, where creativity meets cutting-edge technology to redefine productivity and collaboration for professionals like you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with your friends.
Hey there, future innovators. Ready to transform your ideas into reality? I'm here to guide you through the exciting world of tech.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more crypto education and market insights. Stay safe and trade smart.